Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's test your English. Let's go blank. Camping to camping. Which one is the correct answer? Here the keyword is go. When go is followed by fun activities or hobbies, we use ing. Without to. Go plus ing without to. Remember this. Okay? We say go running, go swimming, go fishing, go running. So here the answer is camping. Let's go camping. Second, we didn't blank flowers any some. Look guys, an apostrophe s means not. So this sentence is negative and any comes in a negative sentence and questions. Negative sentence and question. But some comes in positive sentence. So when you see not in the sentence, choose any. We didn't any flowers. Last week I blank at the airport. Aim was were. Here the keyword is I. Here I doesn't take were, so let's eliminate this one. In this sentence here, last week means last, means in the past. Last means in the past. So am is for present, was is for past. So the correct answer is was. Easy and simple, right? Thank you for watching. Subscribe.